If you want to know how can you unfollow everyone on Instagram at once, today in this video we'll see if and how can we do that. So all you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First we need to go ahead and open Instagram, make sure you are logged in, then tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your Instagram profile. Then from here, tap on following at the top right corner right here. It will get you to the following list. So the only way you can follow everyone on Instagram is to go ahead and tap on the unfollow button right next to them. So we need to unfollow them individually, and you cannot do that at once. If you find videos telling you to go ahead and download apps right here, like these ones, don't trust them. This is dangerous. They can steal your information and they can hack your accounts. I'm not saying that every app from here is going to steal information, but it's better to stay safe than sorry. So make sure to not try any of these apps. Just go ahead and unfollow everyone one by one. And that is the only way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.